There's a lot of things you've got to worry about when you're going on holiday. Where's my sunglasses? Oh, they're on my head. And your passport. But the one thing I don't have to worry about is watering my plants. Having an irrigation system at home that will water your plants makes the trip even more relaxing. Let me show you how I set up my irrigation system to take care of my garden. The irrigation system is a smart, self-watering solution for your garden, and it doesn't need mains power or mains water. Powered by the sun, it uses solar energy and rechargeable batteries to activate the pump to draw water straight from your garden water butt, delivering it directly to your plants, right when they need it most. Before heading off, I simply check there's enough water in the barrel. If it's low, I top it up with a hose, and that's it. From there, the system takes over. It monitors the sunlight and weather conditions automatically, adjusting how long it waters the plants during its cycles throughout the day. The results? Healthier and happier plants. And when I'm back from holiday, my plants are thriving, thanks to Irrigatia. Back from holiday, nice and refreshed, never lasts long enough. Look at these lot. Thanks, Irrigatia. For more information about Irrigatia, just visit the website, irrigatia.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Thanks for watching.